Can you imagine buying a home with the touch of a button? You don't even need a real estate agent. Sounds fishy, right? Yeah, I've been pretty skeptical of that myself as well. Well, that's a story we've been sold for the past couple of years from all the new proptech startups. However, in the ever-evolving landscape of technology, we're witnessing a significant shift in how new innovations are being embraced. So while the past saw a celebration of technology replacing human beings, today we're seeing more solutions designed to enhance the human capability and the businesses, particularly in high-touch industries like real estate. Take Apple, for instance. They could have easily implemented self-checkout kiosks in their retail stores, but instead what do? They chose to equip their human advisors with handheld devices and create a genius bar to help their customers. So this merger of technology and personal touch not only created new efficiencies, but also delivered a superior level of service to their customers. Uber is another great example. So rather than introducing self-driving cars right away, they created a platform that empowered limousine and car service drivers, providing with an easy-to-use on-demand system for booking and payments. This technology didn't replace these professionals. Instead, it made them more efficient and accessible. Another great example, I think, is Etsy's global marketplace. The online marketplace for handmade and vintage goods is a testament how technology can support small businesses. Because as of just recently, Etsy had over 60 million items in its marketplace, connecting over 2 million sellers with 40 million buyers. This platform provided individual vintage stores with a global reach they could never achieve on their own. It's embracing the technological synergy. Because while we cannot compete with certain aspects of technology, we can embrace solutions that make it more efficient, nimble, and accurate. Technology that simplifies the mechanical process or enhances our cognitive abilities or streamlines the transaction and minimizes the excessive paperwork becomes a powerful ally in our quest to deliver exceptional service. There's also a collective advantage because just as malls became incubators for small and large stores alike, real estate agents and teams operating under one roof have the capacity to collectively leverage technology and compete with entities focused on replacing the human agents. So tech-enhanced professionals grouped together can harness the power of economies of scale while delivering service that combines the best of human expertise and technological innovation. So in conclusion, in this new proptech world, our unique skills as real estate advisors remain invaluable. By embracing the technology as an enhancer rather than a replacement, we can offer our clients a seamless experience that blends the personal touch with cutting-edge efficiency. And is this synergy between the human experience and technological advancement that will set us apart and ensure our continued relevance in this ever-evolving real estate landscape. This has been your trusted real estate advisor, Alex Kiren. And for more real estate tips and tricks and everything about San Francisco Bay Area trends, follow for more. And don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue providing this valuable information for you and the masses.